The deaf community's COVID-19 experience has already been forgotten. Like so many people with disabilities, the deaf community's needs and opinions have been ignored and even taken advantage of. Deaf individuals face many obstacles during this pandemic. Facial expressions are ingrained in American Sign Language, and masks have interrupted this aspect of the language. If a deaf person contracts COVID, they experience discrimination and discomfort in a hospital. Because of COVID, many hospitals have chosen insufficient VRI or virtual interpretation over in person services. There are horror stories of deaf COVID patients not even understanding their medications due to poor interpretation. And to get the COVID vaccine, they must deal with vaccine sites that don't even have interpreters. And yet, people have used disability to their advantage in this pandemic. Abled people have used fake DOJ disability cards and incorrectly cite the Americans with Disabilities Act to avoid wearing masks. Able people have even pretended to have a pre existing condition to jump the vaccine line. This unequal COVID experience can no longer be ignored and certainly cannot be forgotten.